Hello everybody, I'm Aaron Moy and welcome back to another episode of TNJU. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's been like a month since I last played this, but this time I actually had a good reason. I was like, I won't even lie, I got kind of addicted to making FNF covers, so yeah, and I've been like doing that non-stop for like the past like month, ever since I learned how to do it, so yeah, that's why there hasn't been a TNJU video since the previous part, but now we're here, we're back where we last left off with Golden Shitlord over here, and yeah, finally got another chance to like record this, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. So I kind of need a refresher of what happened last time. Like, we played a Cirno, I know that much. She was like hunting ghosts. She also fought exotic butters for some reason, and then like at the end of the last episode, PC90, like we went to like Golden Freddy's POV right here, and then he like saw PC98 Reimu for some reason, and then like she like disappeared, and now we're trying to go after her because she might know the answers. Not all the answers, but maybe some answers. Who knows? That's what Golden Freddy's hoping for right now. So I played Fuckboys 3 before, so I know that Golden Freddy has like these summons. Phantom Evoker, that summons with Kappa trigger. That summons either Shadow Freddy or Shadow Bodies. That's pretty cool. And he can also summon the Kappa party hat, which is the party hat from episode 1, not episode 1, the first part of this, of episode 3 I mean. So yeah, we got a bunch of like items right here. We're gonna go off. Actually, let me check the status. Golden Freddy, hallucination, yellow bear. He's he got a gold kingly microphone and like standard high level equipment. A golden bear, that's all about him really. He has summoning, paralysis, immunity, and poison resist. He has like 3 passives at the same time. Well, summoning, you really count that as a passive, but he has paralysis, immunity, and he can resist poison, so that's pretty good. Save file 73. And I already have another save file there because I like saved at the end of the last episode, but you can't like view the cutscene back or anything, so I had to like I had to go back to this save file, to the previous save file right here, with Cirno, and I had to go through that cutscene again. Thankfully it wasn't that long, so it's not like I had to sit through like 10 hours of but I wanted to. Ah, man. You know, I don't want to waste like time reloading my save file just so that I can see like flavor text. Sorry, guys. What's my? Oh yeah, right. It's one of the switches that we pressed during like our laborings in Cotton City. There she is. Quick. Fredbear, go after her! Is there anything over here?
I need to follow the girl.
Okay. Alright. I gotcha.
What? Where did she go?
I don't know. There's like a weird like thing in the middle there. Should I save beforehand? You know what? Screw it.
This strange gizmo. Does it belong to her? It looks like it could take me somewhere. But somewhere might be where she is right now.
Alright.
It looks like I've got no other choice but to press on.
I wonder where we're gonna go as Golden Freddy.
Well.
And what we'll encounter.
Yeah, I do.
Here he goes! Oh man, he got struck by lightning and died. Oh, rip. And now it's raining? Year, question mark, question mark, question mark. Even more question marks. What is this? The Moria Shrine?
Where's this? What the fuck happened here?
He got transported to like a destroyed version of Gensokyo or something. Maybe this is the future. Could be the past. I don't know. We have no context for what happened here. But oh god, this place looks like a mess. Seriously.
No.
Alright, fine. Jeez. Mr. Bossy Bear.
No.
I can't even go to the right or the left side. I have to go down the stairway. There's like a teleporter here. A strange machine. It is broken. Nothing over here. Continue. Yep, we're here at the giant toad pod where Suwako was. This is kind of dark. There, PC98 Reimu was there again. Come back here, I just want to talk. Please, I just want to have a chat. That's all I'm asking for. Where did she go? Right side. Oh, this is like the forest, right? Yeah, but it's kind of hard to navigate with all these dead trees around. I don't think this is the way to go. Nope. Definitely isn't. Go to the left. I think I just went around in circles. Yeah, I think I did. God damn it. It's like a passageway over here. You can tell I haven't played this in a long time if I can't like recognize the fucking road formation. I think I just continue going to... Oh yeah, this is Hina's house. I recognize this now. This is the Kageyama residence. We go to the left here. And then we go down, I'm pretty sure. Well, not down yet, but like, we keep going left and then there's like a path that leads down, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Humans beware, what color on the floor? I'm pretty sure that's the same as before. For the Yokai Mountain, Aki residence. I have no idea what happened here, but it does not look good at all. Seriously, what happened? Hey! Golden Freddy called out to you. You need to at least acknowledge him. Oh my god, it still does the thing! It still does the thing where if I go right, it goes up, so it tripped me up, and then if I go, because I kept pressing right, and then it puts me back here. That's something that I'm never gonna be able to, like, get over. Or like get used to. The Seiya poster is still there. The like rip in time.
Nice fucking statue.
This is a nice. It is a nice statue.
Actually, he or she must be a genius.
Pretty sure the Kappas made that. The like hole in space time where you can use to go like enter the outside world is still there. Away. Run away? Jeez, that's not that's not creepy at all. Suzuna closed forever. Hey. Reimu. Stopped raining.
Well, well, well. You actually followed me all the way here.
Well, well, well.
Like a moth to a flame.
What?
You see Goldilocks. I wanted to bring you here.
Goldilocks.
Goldilocks.
And you following me just makes this convenient.
But why?
But why?
I have my reasons.
Reasons?
And those reasons being? God,
Come inside and I'll explain. It's not safe out in the open.
motorcycle in the background. Sorry if you guys heard
Trust
that.
me on this Goldilocks. You seriously don't want to fuck with the random encounters here.
The random encounters.
Guess I have to do what she says. I am not familiar with this strange world, so it is best if I stay away from imminent danger.
That's a song from Indie Cross. Hey, this place is pretty
What
like.
is this place?
This place is a lot brighter compared to like most of the other places. Compared to like most of the other places that we've been to so far in
An
Gensokyo.
old resistance hideout. Used to be a bookstore. Some people tried to pull off the whole resistance shit and it didn't exactly go so well. Sucks to be them, huh?
Yeah, that sucks.
Anyways, the reason I wanted to bring you here is that you are a vital component to part of my master plan.
Me.
Yes, you.
Kari?
I won't divulge on what it is yet, however.
They need someone they can divulge in.
What exactly is this master plan you speak of?
Well, to put it simply, it involves getting back at the son of a bitch who fucked up Gensokyo in this shitstorm of a future.
Oh. So it is like the future, okay.
That's pretty much the gist of it.
Wait a second. I'm putting a theory out right now. Maybe this is the same future that future Suwako came from. Huh? Yeah, don't you remember her? We fought her in episode 2 when we were playing as Cirno and Team 9.
Hold up.
Alright.
Say, future.
Yeah.
Did.
Then the Gizmo before was.
A fucking time machine.
It's a time machine.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Not a pretty sight, isn't it?
Holy shit.
I can't believe this is the future. Whoever is responsible for this fuckery shall get their dick licked.
Oh, here we go again. Golden Freddy and his dick yiffing.
Sounds gross.
It is gross. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, Reimu. All right.
Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Shoot.
A few hours ago, there were these 4 anime girls that appeared out of nowhere. Do you know anything about this?
4 anime girls.
Okay, first of all, Touhou is not a fucking anime.
I was wondering when they were gonna say it. I was wondering when they were gonna like clear that like misconception up, or like, you know, their confusion up. Thanks for saying it like at the beginning of like episode 3. Of Golden Freddy's part at least.
And
That's
secondly,
good.
those
That's nice.
people most likely went through one of Yukari's gap to get to your world.
Cool.
Who?
A yokai. A pretty old one to boot.
Yeah, she's pretty old.
Knowing that trolling bitch face, it's probably her intention.
You think so?
100% certain. Why else would she open up a gap that leads straight into your world?
Yukari has she's got some weird motives, alright?
As for her motive, well,
She got some strange
I
plans.
have a feeling it involves both of our worlds. By the way, my companions will arrive pretty soon.
Or your companions.
So while we wait, why don't you walk around here for a bit?
It's not like there's anything better to do.
Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong. We got a bunch of snacks and drinks while we wait. So we're pretty stocked. This place still looks pretty ruined though. Now you interact with anything, the books, the place, there's like a note, there's like a thing here. Viva la resistance, bitch! Okay. What happens if I want to go outside?
I wouldn't do that if I were you, bub.
Alright.
So, how long do we have to wait for?
Not for long. They should be here any second now.
Any second now. Any second now. Oh!
The
Oh!
devil.
Is that Clownpiece and the Yukuris that we fought in episode 1?
You're right. We got the shit. And boy, let me tell ya, it ain't easy peasy.
It's good to see you guys again after I beat the ever-loving shit out of you in episode 1.
Excellent work, Clowny. All in a day's work, mate.
Alright, mate.
Who is that?
Yeah, pretty confusing, huh? There's like a there's like a yellow bear with red pupils in the building now.
None of your business. Okay?
Okay.
Now that you're here,
I saw something in the like mini map, but I'm not gonna point it out. Now that you're here, I don't know why I read her line.
do me a favor and babysit Goldilocks here. I got business elsewhere and I don't want this guy to be in any form of trouble while I'm gone.
They're gonna babysit me? Come on.
You want us to watch over that bear thing? Precisely.
That bear thing? Come on.
Got a
Dude.
problem with that? Well, no. That's what I thought. Now stay put. And don't do anything stupid. And there she goes again.
So,
Hello.
yeah, that's a nice way to start a conversation,
You're
Golden Freddy.
pretty weird looking.
Says you! Have you taken a look at yourself, Clownpiece? Come on. That's insulting right there.
I suppose this calls for introduction. Name's Clownpiece, and these two heads here are Yuhuris. So what's yours?
Golden Freddy.
You
Golden
got
Freddy.
a strange name, though, mate.
Coming from you.
Yeah, exactly. See? G Freddy understands.
Your name is so obvious it hurts.
Point taken. So, I guess you're my responsibility now. Until Ray comes back, that is. But for now, we're just gonna have to stay here and wait.
I guess.
Yeah, so, like, she was saying something before about, like, how the random encounters you're gonna, like, fuck Golden Freddy up if I'm not careful, so I wonder what she meant by that. Let's read her book while she's away, because that surely won't end badly.
This feels awkward.
Awkward.
Yup,
Very awkward.
So how long will she be gone anyway?
beats me. Oh my god, fuck this. I'm bored. Let's go outside and do something interesting instead.
But what about the imminent danger?
The imminent danger! I can hear it from over here! We're not safe out there, Clownpiece!
Oh, it
Get
should be
outside!
fine, 'cause the coast is all clear. For now, anyways.
For now, she
Come on,
says.
mate. Don't fall behind.
I didn't interact with them. I immediately went to the book. I wonder what they said. I wonder what they would have said, I mean. Oh, brother. What the hell are those? Orbs.
Goldie, here you are.
What? Isn't that?
Oh, these doohickeys? Dunno what they are, but my intuition tells me that they must be some sort of super weapon.
Super weapon.
I still have no idea on how to make this thing here work, but once I figure it out, shit is going to get fucking real.
This shit's about to get real.
Why do you fellas look worried for? I assure you, this is a great idea.
It's a wonderful idea.
She specifically told you not to do anything stupid.
Oh, suck it up, Goldie. What's the worst that could happen?
Welp. Golden Freddy, prepare for the worst.
If I had a token for every time I heard it phrase.
Whatever. Now, let's see here. This shit's gonna take a while, so why don't you go around and explore for a bit?
Okay.
You'll be fine. I told you before, mate. The coast is all clear. There is nothing to worry about.
Nothing. I'm gonna
To be what about this?
quote you on that, Clownpiece, and if you're wrong, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you later.
Haha. I'm always right. One more thing. Don't wander off too far. Red's gonna lose her shit if I lost sight of you.
Alright. Whatever you say, Jevil. You guys will talk.
I think I got it. Nope. Spoke too soon.
This music. What?
I don't know why. But for some reason reading this sign is pissing me off.
Secret Histories Association HQ. Join us on the drive to expel yokai from this realm. We have cookies.
I don't know why, but for some reason
I don't know why it pisses you off, but I guess, are all the signs here, like, not all of the signs, some of the signs, open from never, lemonade has never been this fresh. Some of the signs were changed to be like, you know, ruined, I guess. Closed forever. To be dark, now I'm not exactly sure what I'm supposed to do. I can't go over there. Maybe I'm supposed to go up to the, like, Hakuri Shrine. While these, like, assholes work on that. And then to the right? Nope. The Hakuri Shrine still gotta be here, right? To the left side?
Nope.
Nope. Golden Freddy refuses to go over there. Okay. So the only other, like, way we can go is down, I guess. A small shrine. The school is ruined. Everything's ruined. God, this is giving me. Even though I reacted to it like only a few months ago, this is already giving me flashbacks of KKHDA. Everything like being destroyed.
Nope.
Nope. Nothing here. God, the Prism River Sisters mansion has been destroyed.
Nope.
Nope. Are we supposed to go back to, like, where we came from? Because I can't really, like, not really sure where else are you gonna. Oh, the skeletons that Rumia ate are still here. At least there's like a. There's like a really easy way to get back there, because like there's like a thing there. There's like a hole where you can crawl through.
Nope.
Nope. Okay. This is still broken. The planks are still all.
This shrine has seen better days.
Okay, I was right. I was supposed to go back here.
Not
Okay.
even the old dino ended like this.
What the hell?
What was that flash of memory I just witnessed? Wait. Have I been here? What the fuck was that?
Uh-oh. This can't be good. Do I even dare to go over here? I mean, down? Did it come from down or to the left? Okay. Came from down here. I don't like it whenever it, like, the music cuts off. I don't like that. It also doesn't help that the air conditioner is giving me the chills. It's kind of just one big bad package that gives me goosebumps. Alright, we passed by sands and papyrus, so we should be close to the village. Actually, I didn't go to the right. So Yuka's garden's still okay. Of course not. What else was I expecting? Alright. Maybe they're done. Oh god, what's going on here? We're gonna save. Fall 73 again. Just in case there's like a boss battle coming up or something. Guys, what's going on? You open up like a portal. What is that?
Well, I surely didn't see that one coming.
What in the hell happened?
Haha. Funny story actually. I, tampered with it for about a few times and this was the result.
You mean to tell me that you created a fucking wormhole?
Accidentally, mind you. Either way, this looks pretty bad.
Why?
Like, of course it looks bad.
That wormhole's sucking us in. You know, in hindsight, tampering with something I don't know was probably a bad idea.
You think?
What do you mean I told you so?
Uh-oh, we're getting sucked into the wormhole, ultra wormhole. Scream, Golden Freddy screaming while he's getting sucked in. That's nice. You know what? I'm turning the air conditioner off. I'm kind of.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know.
Where am I?
The void, it says.
That's... It must have sucked him along with us. Looks like the time travel function broke, which fucking sucks.
Yeah. Who's calling him right now?
Hey, Goldie, can you hear me?
Oh, well, that's convenient.
Clownpiece, where are you?
Somewhere. I don't know. Damn, to think that wormhole separated us. Good thing these gizmos conveniently have a communicator function.
Exactly.
Anyway, we should get out of here. Fast. I get the feeling that the folks living here aren't exactly friendly. I'll go on ahead. I'll get back to you if I find something. We'll stay in touch.
Great.
Fantastic.
Guess I have no choice but to move forward. No point in standing around here doing nothing.
Chapter 4. In the Darkness. Even more Plants vs. Zombies music. Great. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 Oh, voidlings. I don't have like anything that can like scan them, so take this. Alright. Fuck yeah, I'm Golden Freddy. Delightful item drop. I don't know. My best golden. Oh! The path is blocked. Alright then, let's go the other way then. That was my best Golden Freddy impression. Ooh! Oh, I.
Certainly didn't expect to see you here. You are here to provide me with your product goods. You truly are a delightful piece of machinery.
Great, we have these. We have a convenient vending machine here. So buy that, I guess. Lollipop. And one of those. The heck? The vending machine dispensed something. Oh!
Thank you, I guess.
Thanks for that. Okay, how many enemies are here? Only 8. Okay. So the chapters keep getting shorter and shorter, I see. Yeah. This is the fog level, right? Strange altar. Here you can offer a sacrifice. Alright. I see a thing here. Alright, we're back.
What the fuck is this shit?
Yo, Goldie. Good news.
What is
I
it?
found the heads. Ran into them trying to engage one of those nasty fucks.
Nice, you found the curries.
So what did ya find on your end?
I found
Something.
a portal.
A portal.
Portal.
Yes, and it appears to be hostile.
A hostile
This is just
portal.
a hunch, but I think that portal might be our ticket out of this dump. And if that's the case, then
We're gonna have to fuck it up.
bingo. This
Nice.
might be our best shot. I definitely don't want to get stuck in here. And neither will ya.
No other options, I suppose.
I'll try to see if I can find one on my end. I'll get back to you later.
Alright, see you later,
Stay safe,
Clownpiece.
mate.
Guess I'd better do some grinding before engaging this portal.
Alright. Does grinding help in any way? Wait, I did check the voidlings. A living cluster of the endless darkness. A dangerous encounter. Drops pizzas, sodas, and lollipops. Location error. Error moi. Okay. I guess I should do what Golden Freddy said. Oh. I guess I should do what Golden Freddy says and grind, I guess. But guard. Oh, they can't do damage against me if I guard. That's nice, I suppose. Donuts. I'm gonna need some help here. Pulls the enemy. Ow. I need one of the shadows to help me out here. Thankfully, they can't hurt me if I'm guarding. And unless they get lucky, I'm not gonna be getting poisoned because I resist poison. Of course, if they do it like a lot, I shivered in fear. Let me use a birthday present to get rid of that real quick. Well, they all attack me at once, so that's not gonna be good. Thankfully, I have this. Excellent pizza. Letting them intentionally hit me might be, like, a faster way to do this. Oh, I forget, I'm like powered up if I have 100 tech. Alright. What's the right play here? My attack is lowered because of the blind. So I guess if they all attack me, I can't risk that, honestly. These games have like given me anxiety. Now I can't risk shit like this. Otherwise I'm gonna like end up regretting it. You get rid of your status effects because that's not good. Also, I forgot about this, but having 100 tech also increases my defense, doubles my defense as well, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Phantom Evoker! Alright, Shadow Freddy, my man. Good thing you're here with me right now. Oh, Golden Freddy finally got poisoned. Top Hat Doom! Top Hat Doom again. Oh. Well, that's a little bit overkill, isn't it? Yes. Delightful item drop. Ah, he's poisoned. fucking hell. These things drop a lot of... they drop a lot of oh shit, apparently. Might control the enemy's mind. Wait, this... Golden Freddy's skills do different things. I didn't realize this. Attack the foe with a shrill screech. Lowers defense by 35% for 4 turns. Might paralyze. Let me mind control somebody. Yes. Get mind controlled, bitch. Yes. Summon an alpha party hat. Because why not? Ah. Give Golden Freddy an XR soda. I guess. Yeah, attack the alpha party hat. That's good. Get him! That's satisfying. Oh, god damn it. Thankfully, the alpha party hat was strong enough to do that. Look at that! Fuck yeah, I'm Golden Freddy. Delightful item drop.
Delightful vending machine. I'm good.
Consume the goods. 2 of those. 3 of those. Some more donuts. We'll get some more of those. Get some of those. This. That, this. Okay. Let me grind for like one more set, and then I'll go attack the portal. Alright, I'm back, and I didn't really do too much grinding. I did like I was gone for like 5 minutes, and I got like 30 XR pizzas, 30 XR sodas, 15 birthday presents, 15 donuts, 5 lollipops, 3 haze candies. That should be good enough. I wonder if I could run away from these people. Yeah, these people. Not even sure. I doubt that that's the right term to call them. Well, these things, I guess. Alright, time to beat this up and end the first part of episode 3.
Well, here I go. Ahem.
Here I go.
Engage the portal, motherfucker.
Go! Oh, damn. Alright, data pad. A larger living cluster of the endless darkness. Fuck it up and find a way back. I guess try to paralyze him. Nope. That didn't do anything. Okay. How much damage does he do? That's definitely something that I need to find out. Okay. Not too much, thankfully. Alright, summon an alpha party hat to poison him, because that'd be pretty good. Damn it, it didn't work. He's no longer blinded, thankfully. And he's poisoned. Good. Summon that. Use an extra soda on him. Here's the thing though, if Golden Freddy dies, it's important that we protect him, because if he dies, then it doesn't matter, because we have the other people are just gonna die. The other party members are gonna die if he dies, so lowers defense, give him an X large pizza. Nice. Let's attack and give him a donut. Actually, a Haze Candy MK2 would probably be pretty good. Yeah, Haze Candy would be pretty good. Give him a donut. If we can get Shadow Freddy in here, that would be really, really helpful. Uh-oh. Oh, he's paralyzed. Good. He doesn't have... He's not poisoned anymore, but let's fix that real quick. Oh, goddammit, he's no longer paralyzed. Well, that was short-lived. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we're close there, definitely. Only guard for one of your turns. It lowers defense. Then give him a donut. Alright. Nice to hit again. Oh, this... Doing double golden toss would be really good. With the, like, increased attack that we have from Golden Freddy having 100 tech. Get a little bit of that extra damage there. Nice. Okay. Time to summon either Shadow Freddy or Shadow Bonnie. Give him an extra soda. Shivered in fear. Alright, Shadow Freddy's here. He's here, baby. And he's ready. He's ready to chill. Freezing lens, flaming lens, smoke lens, poison lens. Burn would be pretty good here. Would it be worth it to use a Haze Candy on Shadow Freddy? I guess it would be. Wait, he already moves twice though. Okay, Flaming Lens and Top Hat Doom. Oh Jesus, that is so incredibly powerful. Pretty sure we can just kill him right now. Nope. Top Hat Doom is a cooldown. I guess that's reasonable. But use Smoke Lens and Freezing Lens then. Get frozen, you idiot. Top Hat Doom again. Actually, lowers accuracy, I guess. And Top Hat Doom. Get good. Get absolutely destroyed. Maybe you can only summon Shadow Freddy using Phantom Evoker, not Shadow Bonnie, but I don't know. We did it though, that's what matters. That wasn't too bad. I got a diamond shard. Okay.
I fucking did it, eat my shit.
Yeah! Fucking did it, eat my shit. Golden Freddy got a massive stat boost. Oh, this is like Fuckboys 3 episode Act 2 of Partners of Fuckboys 3. Where like Golden Freddy gets more powerful as you defeat more the bosses, and he learned Golden Charge. Golden Freddy gradually charges up TP. Lasts for 5 turns. Ooh, this is not bad. But anyways, we're gonna have to find out what's on the the other end of that portal in the next episode. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of TNJU, and if you did, like and subscribe. Until next, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.